My name is G.V. Raman. I am living in Velachery. When they started the cottages in Kodaikanal under the name of Harmony Realtors, I chose to buy a single bedroom cottage in Kodaikanal. They did a wonderful job. I chose to buy it so that at least on the holidays or take a vacation once in a year, at least especially during summer, which will help me a lot to relax at least for a few days and then be there. What they did was they have chosen a nice place called Misty Mountain, and they have given the plans, and they have, as per their commitment, they completed the cottages, and they are also maintaining the cottage. Even though I have not given it out for rent, they have maintained the cottage very well, and it's a very nice place. It's a sort of a community which we can live together.
I was given to talk that why I invested in Misty Mountain in Kodaikanal. Here I would like to say that I have been looking for some property in Kodaikanal for the past 15 years. Unfortunately for me, I couldn't spot any land which sounded like a hill station. We saw many plots which were in Kodaikanal, but they were in some roads or bylanes. But when my friend informed me that there is a property in Misty Mountain, I immediately went there and saw the property. Once I reached Misty Mountain and saw the location, I called up my wife and informed her that I'm freezing this plot, and it was frozen then and there. From there onwards, I made my friends invest there, who based on my version accepted the deal and went ahead with the investment. After investing there, I think it took us about 1.5 years to complete the house, which Shriram company did it very scientifically and very, I would say, the quality of work was extremely good, and I'm very happy with the investment made in Kodaikanal.
What I like best about this property is that it's more like paradise on earth. The location is beautiful, and I love the way that the company is looking after the garden, the landscaping and maintenance. And one reason why I was delaying buying a property in Kodaikanal was that I hated to look after the cooking and the cleaning and the washing, and because of the agency which does everything for me, it's sheer delight going back to Kodaikanal every month. We love that place and we enjoy hosting people there. And thanks to Shriram, we have no problems at all about leaving it as it is and walking out and coming back and seeing it as good as new.
Way back in 2006, at their first project, Misty Mountain, located at Kodai, we drove down to Kodai and I was highly impressed by the project due to the basic support facilities provided, such as common cafeteria, security, the backup power, which was very useful due to the frequent power cuts in Kodai. It has a built-up area of 900 square foot, which is more than enough for a small family of myself, my wife, leaving the botheration of maintaining a much larger house, such as what we are presently occupying. At the same time, providing us a surrounding area of 1 ground, which will have a well-maintained garden surrounding a house. The secure atmosphere of the project is also an assurance needed by one at an advanced age, which is provided by Villafranche, rather than a senior citizen home with their own rigid rules. A good mix of older and younger generation will make it a very good and congenial atmosphere at the project.
See, we decided to go in for a farmhouse, and then we want to have a farmhouse in ECR Road, driving to the extent of 120 kilometers range. and one of my friend who introduced me to Harmony Realtors, I met Mr. Narayanaswamy. The project which was actually discussed and shown to me even before the DTCP approval, the project which was explained to me was very good, and we were impressed on the facilities provided and the genuinity the people in Harmony Realtors showed towards the project impressed me a lot. I have decided to buy and paid my advance even before I saw the approval in place. That is the trust they radiated towards the customer. And after some time, when the DTCP approval was received, and I understood that the area which has been allocated was little more than what has been specified, and the company, the people, Mr. Raj met me and explained me the details, and they have not increased the price for me, and the agreed price was given to me, and that impressed me, saying that these people, the Harmony Realtors, people who are working there are so genuine, and they wanted to provide real experience to the customers in terms of the buying experience and in terms of the product delivery.